In this video, you'll learn how to connect your spectroscopy setup with the Color Mini app in AvaSoftX. You need a spectrometer, an integrating sphere with a built-in halogen light source, and a fiber optic cable. Absolute color measurements require calibrated white and black reference tiles. Alternatively, you can record a dark spectrum with the light source turned off and using an uncalibrated white tile for relative measurements. Connect the fiber optic cable to the spectrometer and to the SMA port located on top of the integrating sphere. Place the integrating sphere securely on top of the calibrated white reflectance tile. Turn on the light source. In the software, open the reflectance dialog and select Enable Custom Reflectance. Load the calibration files corresponding to the white and black reflectance tiles you received with your equipment. Click the Save Reference button to capture the reference spectrum. Place the integrating sphere on top of the calibrated black reflectance tile to take a dark measurement. Click the Save Dark Reference button to capture dark spectrum. You can now place the integrating sphere on top of your color samples to see the deviation from the reference color. You can see the CIE values of your sample on the left panel. Enable additional color parameters if needed. Thanks for watching this video. In need of more information or support, visit our website or contact us directly.